Assalamualaikum to Sir Nasharuddin. We are from Group 4 in class M10.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ZULHAIRIE bin Abdullah, and I will be presenting for the introduction part. As you can see on our slide and on my slide here is for the topic is about quality in supply chain during COVID-19 pandemic. And for the issue here, for the issue that we are focusing on is the semiconductor industry is facing a chip shortage due to various factors including increased demand, supply chain disruption, and geopolitical tensions. So for the content we covered in our report or assignment is we will be looking at the struggle of semiconductor companies to maintain supply and meet customer demand, especially in electronic items that use the semiconductor item or material. And we also provided a case studies of companies that implementing quality management practices during the chip shortage period. And also we'll be looking at the importance of maintaining quality in supply chains during the chip shortage. And lastly, we include the recommendation for other companies in the industry to deal with this kind of problem, which is the problem of chip shortage or semiconductor shortage. So that's it from my part. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hello, my name is Muhammad HAKIMI and I will present about the background parts. The semiconductor industry is a global industry that produces integrated circuit or microchip that power a wide range of electronic devices. These chips are used in everything from smartphone and laptop to cars and home appliances. The current chip shortage has created significant challenges for the semiconductor industry. Companies are struggling to keep up with demand, leading to long lead time, backlogs, and delays in product shipment. In addition, supply chain disruption due to COVID-19 pandemic have caused shipping delays, factory closures, and labor shortage, further exacerbating the chip shortage. Maintaining quality in the supply chain during the chip shortage is critical for semiconductor companies. Quality issues can lead to product defects, recalls, and loss of customer trust, which can have a long-term negative impact on a company's reputation and bottom line. The challenge for semiconductor company is to maintain quality while navigating the complexities of the supply chain and the demand of their customers. Supply chain management is a critical aspect of quality management in the semiconductor industry. Effective supply chain management ensures that companies have the right materials, component, and finished product in the right place at the right time. This involves managing relationship with suppliers, forecasting demand, managing inventory levels, and optimizing transportation and logistics. By implementing best practices in supply chain management, semiconductor companies can mitigate the impact of the chip shortage of their operation and maintain the quality standards. So that's all from me for the background part, and I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum to Sir Nasharuddin. My name is NISHA binti ISKANDAR. I'm going to present about the quality in supply chain management. So companies must maintain the quality in semiconductor supply chain to meet the customer demand. So as we know, technology and innovation can improve the quality in supply chain management. So there are 3 best practices that we could make to maintain the best quality in supply chain management. Firstly is building a strong relationship with suppliers. This can be done by working with suppliers to identify the risk and develop contingency plans in the future. Second is diversifying suppliers. As all of us know, multiple suppliers can ensure access to materials and components. Thirdly is implementing demand forecasting. Demand forecasting can help companies for better anticipate customer demand and plan production. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and good day. I am MOHAMAD BADRIN and I'm here to discuss a crucial aspect of the operation, ensuring the safety of the employees and customer while maintaining exceptional quality standards. So in the face of the ongoing chip shortage, it is imperative that companies strike a balance between the well-being of their workplace and the satisfactions of their esteemed customer. Hence, let us emphasize the strategies that can be implemented to achieve this delicate equilibrium. Firstly, the maintenance of the quality in the supply chain demands the implementation of strict safety protocols. So company must take measures to enforce rigorous safety procedures in their manufacturing facilities and warehouses. By doing so, they can effectively prevent the spread of COVID-19 and guarantee the safety of their employees. Secondly, it is essential to provide employees with personal protective equipment or PPE to further mitigate the risk of transmission within the workplace. Equipping the workforce with masks, gloves, and face shields serve as a powerful defense against potential infections. So this action demonstrates the company's commitment to well-being of its employees and foster an environment that prioritizes safety above all else. Lastly, the implementation of remote work should be considered for employees who can fulfill their job responsibilities from the safety and convenience of their own homes. Embracing remote work arrangements significantly reduce the risk of transmission within the workplace. So by adopting this approach, companies not only safeguard their employees but also ensuring uninterrupted operations, enabling them to deliver top quality products and services to their customers. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad SYABIL AQIF. Now, I would like to present about the quality in supply chain management. So, in this section, I will discuss the role of technology and innovation in enhancing quality in supply chain management, which is part C. So, technology and innovation can also play a critical role in enhancing quality in supply chain management during the chip shortage. Some examples is, the first one is implementing automation. So by implementing automation in manufacturing and logistics, it can help reduce the risk of supply chain disruption by reducing the need for human intervention. Second is implementing blockchain technology. So implementing blockchain technology can help improve transparency, traceability in the supply chain, making it easier to track products and identify potential quality issue. Okay, so the third one is using advanced analytics. So by using advanced analytics, it can help companies better understand supply chain performance and identify potential risks. So the companies can enabling them to take proactive measures to address those risks. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AMIRUDDIN. Okay, next I will present about the case study. So the figure 3 that showing the decreasing trend of global sale of motor vehicles. So in this session, we will analyze the case study of semiconductor companies that have successfully maintained quality in their supply chains during the chip shortage. By examining the strategies and best practice implemented by these companies, we can gain insight into how to effectively manage supply chain quality during times of crisis. The semiconductor shortage is a global issue that has affected various industries, including automotive, consumer electronic, and telecommunication. The shortage began in late 2019 when the COVID-19 pandemic disturbed the global supply chains and leading to the shutdown of factories and the decrease in demand for semiconductor. The automotive industry has been one of the hardest hit sector by the semiconductor shortage. For instance, major automakers such as Ford, General Motors and Volkswagen have had to reduce or suspend production due to the lack of semiconductors. In January 2021, Ford announced that it will cut production at 6 of its plants in North America due to the shortage. Similarly, General Motors stated that it will reduce production at several of its plants in North America and China. In addition, Volkswagen announced that it will temporarily shut down production at its plant in Europe due to the shortage. One of the main reasons why the automotive industry has been affected by the semiconductors shortage is that modern cars contain significant amount of electronics which is rely on semiconductors. For instance, a typical car can contain between 50 to 150 microprocessors that control various functions such as engine management, entertainment and safety features. Another case study discussed that the 2021 semiconductor shortage, which has caused by various factors including the COVID-19 pandemic, increased demand for consumer electronic and supply chain disruption. The shortage impact various industries including automotive, consumer electronic and telecommunication, and led to the production delays and increased price for the consumer. The author suggests several strategies for mitigating the impact of the shortage, including increasing the investment in semiconductor production and diversifying the supply chains. The case study also highlight the impact of the semiconductor shortage on specific companies such as Intel, AMD and Samsung. For instance, Intel report a decline in revenue due to the shortage, while AMD and Samsung had to delay the release of their new product. The author suggests that these companies should adopt strategies such as prioritizing production for their high margin product and investing in research and development to reduce their reliance on third party suppliers. The last one, the semiconductor shortage has had a significant impact on the automotive industry, leading to the production costs, production cuts and supply chain disruption, and also impact on major industries such as automotive and electronics. Even though COVID-19 gave a big impact to the industry, all the big company automotive such as Ford, General Motors and Volkswagen, and also industrial electronic companies such as Intel, AMD and Samsung, they need to be well prepared for this kind of condition such as the pandemic of COVID-19 to keep their business alive and keep running.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is DAYANA and I will present about the conclusion part. In this report, we have examined the topic of quality in supply chain management. During the chip storage in the semiconductor industry. Through our analysis, we have identified key challenges and best practice for maintaining quality in supply chain management during time of crisis. Our research has shown that semiconductor companies that prioritize investment in production capacity, supplier in diversification and high demand products can efficiently maintain supply chain quality during the chip storage. Additionally, the use of innovation technology such as AI and ML can improve supply chain visibility and collaboration, leading to the greater efficiency and quality. For your information, during the COVID-19 pandemic, it will take proactive approach that include risk assessment, supplier selection, communication, technology, teamwork and adaptability to preserve quality in supply chain management. Business are able to maintain continually in their operation and fulfill the requirement on their customer if they implement this best practice. Last but not least, let's moving on to the recommendation part. We recommend that semiconductor companies seeking to maintain and improve quality in their supply chains during the chip storage and should adopt a multi-faceted approach that include investment in production capacity, supplier diversification and prioritization of high demand product. Additionally, the use of innovation technologies such as AI and ML can enhance supply chain visibility and collaboration, and also leading to a greater efficiency and quality. That's all from us. Thank you.